when people have the same experience, you can use the words so or to. I like pizza. She likes pizza. Or if I combine these two sentences, I like pizza and put a comma here. She does too. Or so does she. Choose the helping verb does because it matches this subject here and also here. These verbs are in the present tense. So you need a present tense helping verb that matches the subject. We have a car. They have a car. We have a car, comma, and they do too. After the comma, we need this conjunction and, then the subject, then the helping verb, which matches these verbs here. They're in the present tense. And then at the end, to. You can also say, we have a car, and so do they. In this case, the subject goes here after the helping verb. I rode a bike to school. You rode a bike to school. We can combine these two sentences by saying this. I rode a bike to school, comma, and so did you. After so, we need a helping verb. The helping verb is past because the main verb here is in the past. When I use this helping verb, I'm thinking about this verb here in the past tense. In this case, after so is the helping verb. But if you use to, the sentence would look like this. I rode a bike to school, and you did too. The word to will appear at the end of the sentence after the helping verb. Remember, after so, the helping verb goes here. If you're using to, the helping verb goes before to.
Tenzin Sefel. Hannah Tolgren. Allie Marie Turnquist.